You stole my heart of gold.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylicorn, and today I will be showing you how I got this creative Grinch look. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna take my Mehron makeup green. I don't know exactly what green this is, but this is my Creamblend stick, and I'm gonna put this all over my face.
Casting on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your...
I have to change the lighting because my vanity lights make my room hot, and I would have started sweating this off. So next, I'm going to take my Mehron Creamblend Mehron. I'm gonna take this. It's gonna be a lighter green. I'm gonna use that for highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into a green matte eyeshadow so that I can set that, and it has to be matte, no shimmer. And I'm gonna set my concealer. I actually went in with a yellow, and now I'm gonna go in with my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm gonna set that because it's not coming out as bright as I want it to. So now I'm going to be using my Ben Nye face paint to draw the eyebrows, and you're going to see that I'm going to use a feather motion to just draw the eyebrows to make it look like hair strokes.
Cleaning up your mess.
Okay, so I think I like how, you know, messy those look. I'm gonna add some like dimension using a white liner. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm just lightly brushing over my eyebrow hairs with the white liner. I feel like these brows aren't enough, so I'm gonna do a little extra to it. Alright, so now I'm gonna be making the wrinkles on my forehead, so I'm gonna take a dark green and do that.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
Now I'm gonna take yellow and white mixed together to highlight where my brows are.
Golden brown, but I'm a little stronger now. You casting on my promises.
Now I'm gonna just take that dark green and like bring that down to where my brows are, and just like make kind of a unibrow. It's already like a unibrow, but like more like a unibrow. Alright, so I think I'm gonna just define the brow a little bit more. And yeah, make it look a little something something. Alright, I just OD'd with the white, but it's alright, I'm gonna leave it like that. Alright, so because I'm gonna be Mrs. Grinch, I'm going to wipe off some of that green and put on some eyeshadow and make it look super pretty because I don't want to be the regular Grinch. Oh my god, I look crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my eyelids with my, oh my god, that's going good. I hope I don't mess up, because I'm not doing this over. No, no. Alright, let me stop. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna start out with the outside, the transition, whatever you want to call it, with yellow. Yellow has to be in this because, yeah. Ow. Then I want to take a green and like blend that right under where I blended the yellow. A dark green, by the way.
'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my James Charles times Morphe palette. I'm gonna mix these two colors together right here, this brown and this black, to make a crease. Okay, so after you put that brown and black on your eyelids for the crease, you're going to want to clean that up. Then we're going to cut our crease. So what I'm using to cut my crease is the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Classic Ivory. Then after we cut our crease, we're just going to want to blend that concealer in with the black brown that we put on our lid from before, so that it's a seamless blend. Then after, we're going to add on a shimmery green eyeshadow to complete the look. Alright, and then we're going to repeat on the next side. So I did my other eye off camera. As you can see, I put like eyeshadow at the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm going to put on my lashes off camera. I'm going to outline with some white liner. And yeah, then we're going to finish going towards doing everything else. Okay, so now I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil and I'm gonna outline where I want my nose to sit.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.
I'm gonna take some LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Classic Ivory, and I'm just gonna dot that on the middle for some highlight and then blend it in.
Stronger now, a little stronger now.
And now I'm just gonna shade in the nose to make it look more defined. Okay, now I'm about to take the same black Ben Nye black that I used from before, the paint, mixed with a little Mehron paint to be like a green black, to draw the line straight down my lip.
'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little.
So instead of me taking black, I'm gonna take green and draw that as the nose wrinkles and the face wrinkles. I'm gonna take dark green.
It's so strong. It's so strong.
Make the lines on my nose go down to my cheek wrinkles.
Generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger.
think I want to add one more to be a little extra. Okay, so what I want to point out to y'all is of how I did this is the first one goes connected to the center line that's right there. The second one is standalone. The third one is kind of standalone also, but it's more or less like lined up with the third line up here. And then the fourth line is standalone and it's really small, and the first three shadows point inward and the fourth shadow points outward. So that's why I want y'all to like take into note. I'm already starting to look like the Grinch. Alright, so let's get back. I'll be taking my dark green and kind of go in to where the shadow is and deepen that up.
On my promises, you know I'm too generous.
I just want to clean this up a bit. So I'm gonna go in with the black in the creasing area to deepen it up a little bit more, and I'll blend that out with the brush that got green shadow on it. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX white, what is this? I'm gonna go in with my NYX white eyeshadow base to highlight those black parts right there. Yeah. Alright, time to blend that out and then do the next side because it's looking kind of big. Alright, now the other side of my face is done. It's not symmetrical because my face isn't symmetrical, so I mean when I smile it looks pretty decent, but I like this side better than this side. It doesn't matter. But yeah, now I'm gonna put more wrinkles on my face. I'm gonna put the little whiskers, I'm gonna fix up my lip, all that. So yeah, I'm actually just outlining where my original stress lines are.
I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little...
Okay, so I'm going to finish doing the rest of the up here. The highlighting for my forehead, the little whiskers on my mouth, and I'm gonna put on some lipstick. But first things first, I'm going to wipe off the paint from the bottom of my lip, from my bottom lip. So yeah, and I'm gonna put on a wig and everything after, well, off camera. So yeah. Alright guys, this is the final look. I don't have a green wig, so I had to opt out or opt in for red, and red and green go together. So let me know what you guys think. I would say like this is the hardest look I've ever done. Like I started at what, 8:50 and it is now 1:54. How many hours is that? 5 hours? 6 hours? Bruh. Took me 6 hours to do this. So yeah, but it was so much fun. I really like doing this. I really like doing like full face makeup anyways. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. Leave some comments below. Like the video. Press the little bell to get more alerts when I'm uploading more videos. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to do that. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.